Hi, hi, hi. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hi, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning, Srinivas Rao, Tanuj Kumar. Good morning, Shudeshna. Good morning, Palikeshwara Rao. Good morning, Krishna Harika. Good morning, Anime World. Good morning, Varshini. Good morning, Vandana. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Sheikh Rahman, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunnara, Bagunnara. Everyone Manchi at home. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Bagunnara, everyone Manchi at home. कुछ बोल दो भाई. Yes, sir. No problem. No problem. So everyone is munchy at home. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? What's going on at home? CWS. Yeah, we are not normal people, sir. We are UPL people. We are ultra pro legends. So that's why we are also chilling. Life is all about chilling only. So that's why we are also chilling. But till NEET 2027, we will chill by only one method. That is chilling with studying. CWS. Chilling with studying. Tarvata, after getting selection, we will see other ways to chill. But till NEET 2027, only one method to chill, that is chilling with studying. No problem, no problem. Yeah, everyone enjoyed yesterday, no problem. Yeah. Okay, okay, huh? Then parents, you have to talk. If your parents are not agreeing, you can request to them. Don't go against your parents. We should never go against the parents, but we should try to convince them what we want. Of course, you are trying to take one more drop, means your thoughts are good. So whenever thoughts are good, we should always try to convince the parents. We cannot go against them. No, I want this only. We cannot say that. But we can try to convince. We can try to convince our parents by so many ways are there. Emotional drama also you can do. You can cry for some time. Something you can do, but you have to convince them. You cannot go against them. No problem. No problem. Yeah. I am also good. Nenu Manchi, Miru Manchi, student teacher relation directly proportional. If students are Manchi, teacher will be Manchi. If teacher is Manchi, student will be Manchi. So no problem. No problem. Everything is good. Yeah, okay, okay. Huh? And shall we start with the class? I think in last class we started with mug. We started with motion under gravity. Yeah, and we were talking about different cases of motion under gravity. I think free fall we just started. We derived the formula for free fall. For free fall, time of flight will come under root of 2h by g, and final velocity on reaching ground will come under root of 2gh. But I told you h is not always height of the tower. H means the height fallen by the ball. H means displacement of the ball. Actually, when ball reaches the ground, displacement will be equal to height of the tower. So that's why for entire journey we can say H will represent height of tower. But actually H is not height of the tower. Actually H is the height fallen by the ball. Is it okay, bhai? So we derived the result. We did one question also as per my memory, and my memory is correct. Yeah, okay. So today we will do some more questions from free fall. Actually, most important part is free fall only. Most of the questions are asked from free fall. So we'll do one, two more questions from free fall. Then we'll move towards next case. You can do one question. Come on. You write one question. You write. When a ball is dropped, from a tower of height h, pyq only, I am giving you easy question. When a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, when a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, it reaches ground. in time t. It reaches ground in time t. When a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, it reaches ground in time t. Find the height of the ball. Find the height of the ball. Nothing mentioned means height you have to calculate from ground. If they want to calculate height from somewhere else, then they will mention. Nothing mentioned means height, of course, we have to calculate from the ground. Find the height of the ball from the ground. Find the height of the ball from the ground at time t by 3. Find the height of the ball from the ground at time t by 3. Find the height of the ball from ground at time t by 3. Easy question, but people do mistake. Find the height of the ball from ground at time t by 3. Srinivas Rao has given correct answer. बहुत बढ़िया. We can use formula also, or we can do without formula also. No problem. Yeah. So till now only Srinivas Rao has given answer. Remaining people, क्या कर रहे हो भाई? खाना खा के सो रहे हो क्या? Alpaharam done, then sleeping, sir. Pranita has also given correct answer. Enemy world also given correct answer. Tanuj Kumar, why people are not getting answer h by 9? Why people are getting answer 8h by 9? Surya also correct. Vishnu Vardhan, I think, written wrongly. Otherwise, he got correct answer. Varshini 8h by 9. Correct. Meghna correct. Ashwarya correct. Why answer you are not giving h by 9? By solving, you will get h by 9. If you use your equation of motion or formula, you will get h by 9. But why you are saying height from ground you have to find? So height from the ground, from the equation of motion, you will get height fallen by the body. Height fallen by the body is coming h by 9. Because time is t by 3. So height fallen by the body is coming h by 9. But they are asking you height from the ground. So from the ground, height will become h minus h by 9. People do mistake. H by 9 will be present in first option. They will tick that option. H by 9 is the height fallen from the tower. They are asking you height from the ground. Yeah. So that's why I asked. People have given correct explanation also. So question was very simple. There was one tower of height h. So they are saying you when a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, it reaches ground in time t. That means h you can relate. You can write h will be coming as sir half gt square. Because time to reach the ground is capital T. So half gt square. No problem. We got it, sir. Then we can also find they are asking you height of the ball from the ground at time t by 3. So directly we cannot find height from the ground. So first we have to check how much height ball has fallen. So if the ball has fallen height h dash, then h dash we can write as half g into t by 3 whole square. That means from here you can relate both. Best way to relate both is divide them. Best way to relate them both, just divide them. So you'll get from here h by h dash will come. When you simplify both, half gt, divide them, this will get cancelled. T square will get cancelled. So you'll get 1 by 9. 1 by 3 square will give you 1 by 9. That means it will become, this 9 will go in numerator. So you'll get h by h dash will be coming as 9. So h dash will come h by 9. And this h dash is not the height of the ball from the ground. H dash means displacement of the ball. Displacement of the ball means height fallen by the ball. So ball has fallen height of h by 9. So height from the ground will become h minus, total height was h. Out of h by 9 fallen. So height from ground will become h minus h by 9. So height from the ground they are asking you. So that will become height of the ball from ground will become 8h by 9. Is it okay, bhai? Everyone has given answer also. They know the concept also because famous PYQ. But still, for some people who are seeing this question for the first time, they should have idea about this. In these, we are getting all this with the help of equation of motion. Equation of motion has nothing to do with height of the building. It has to only do with displacement. Is it okay, भाई? तो एक oral question बता दो. In the same question, if they ask you, find the height of the ball from the ground at time t by 4. Orally बता दो भाई, no need to solve. Orally, question orally also, solution also orally. Find the height of the ball from the ground at time t by 4. At time t by 4. हाँ, 15 h by 16. T by 4 means height fallen will become h by 16. Because height is proportional to height fallen is proportional to t square. So time 1/4. So height will become h by 16. So h by, if sometimes they also say what is the height of the ball from the tower. So below the tower h by 16. But we are asking from the ground, so h minus h by 16. That will come 15 h by 16. You can do one more question. Come on. Slowly we'll move further. We will try to do some more questions. You can write. When a ball is dropped from a tower of unknown height h, when a ball is dropped from a tower of unknown height h, when ball is dropped from a tower of unknown height h, it is found to cover a distance of, very good, no problem. Next question. When a ball is dropped from a tower of unknown height h, it is found to cover a distance of 45 meter. It is found to cover a distance of 45 meter during last second of its free fall. When a ball is dropped from a tower of unknown height h, it is found to cover a distance of 45 meter during last second of its free fall. Find the height of tower. H. Means you have to find the value of h. It is found to cover a distance of 45 meter during last second of its free fall. Find the unknown height h, or find the height of tower. Tanuj Kumar, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. How you have solved, Tanuj Kumar? You can say that also because you have got answer very fast. Find the height of tower. This is also PYQ, like these questions are asked. Is it now coming? Is video is now coming? Is it now video coming? No problem. Then you can solve. Okay, no problem. Some network problem happened. So, okay. So you can tell the answer. Acha, audio changes. Now audio fine. You can check Ravi. Is audio okay? Yogi Vardhan got correct answer. Sudeshna also got. Okay, no problem. Okay, sir. Varshini got. Chalo bhai, solve karo. Okay, leave all these things. Meghna got. I think everyone is getting answer. Because just always remember, apart from those formula, if anything else is asked, we have to depend on equation of motion. So question was very simple. Question was very simple. What they said, when a ball is dropped, when a ball, yeah, ball, buddy, almost everyone has got the answer also. No problem, yeah. So just I will tell, maybe some people did not get idea how to solve, but this is one of the famous PYQ, no problem, yeah. So I'll simply say, sir, when the ball is dropped, they are saying one ball is dropped from unknown height h. It is found to cover a distance of 125 meter during last second of its journey. Last second of its journey means last second must be one particular second now, like fifth second, fourth second, third second. So they are saying you distance traveled during last second of its journey is 45 meter. And last second means particular second. Last second definitely means particular second. Particular second. And for particular second, you already know the equation. How to find displacement in the particular second with the help of fourth equation. So I will simply say, if total time of journey for the ball is n second, if the total time for which ball is falling is n second, then last second will become a nth second. And distance during n second we already know, that means distance during n second given, sir, 45. This will become, sir, u plus a by 2. Here a will be g. So g by 2 into 2n minus 1. This will be equal to 45. Now from here we can calculate g by 2 means 10 by 2, that will be 5 into 2n minus 1, that will be equal to 45. Now from here we can cancel, this will be equal to 9, that means 2n minus 1 will be 9, that means 2n will be 10, that means n will be 5. Means last second is the fifth second, that means last second is the fifth second. If the last second is the fifth second, total time of journey must be 5 seconds. If the last is fifth, this ball has fallen for 0 to 5 seconds. So if last second is the fifth second, total time of journey is 5 seconds. In this 5 seconds, how much height it has fallen? That is the height of the building. That is half g into t square. That is 5 square. That will give you 125 meter. Is it okay, bhai? Everyone got the answer, no problem. We have to take help. Last second means particular second. If you live for 70 years, what will be your last year of your life? 70th year. In the similar manner, yeah. Last second means particular second. Particular second distance given. We can use fourth equation of motion. We'll get last second value. Last second value came means total time came. Total time came means height fallen came. We can do very easily. You can do one more question. Come on. एक और क्वेश्चन बनाओ. चलो भाई. You're right. When a ball is dropped, from a tower of height h, when a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, when a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, it is found to cover. When a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, it is found to cover a distance of it is found to cover a distance of 40 meter. Again PYQ. When a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, it is found to cover a distance of 40 meter. It is found to cover a distance of 40 meter during last 2 seconds. It is found to cover a distance of 40 meter during last 2 seconds of its free fall. During last 2 seconds of its free fall. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Again, you can use fourth equation. We can do with fourth equation also, without fourth equation also. Find the height of the tower. Last 2 seconds means nth and n minus 1nth. If I say total journey is 10 seconds. Pranita has given very good. बहुत बढ़िया. This question was slightly tricky. Last 2 seconds means if total time is 10 seconds, then last 2 seconds will become 10th and 9th. Enemy world also very good. Tanuj Kumar also very good. Navya also very good. Chintala also very good. Very good. People are smart. Giving answer fast. Srinivas Rao very good. Meghna very good. Everyone can get. So I think everyone will get. Again I will say, okay sir, no problem. You are asking me height of the tower, some data you have given, no problem. Meghna correct, Harshita correct. Everyone is getting correct answer. Answer will come 45 meter. You got idea how to apply fourth equation of motion here. So एक बार देख लो. I will tell you with fourth equation also and without fourth equation also. So एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. Because sometimes question may be tricky. So that's why you must know both ways. So एक बार देख ले. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'll simply say, sir, you are saying when a ball is dropped from a tower of height h, distance covered during last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds means n minus 1th plus nth. This is the meaning of last 2 seconds. If I say total journey is of 10 seconds, what is the last 2 seconds? 9th and 10th. So this is what we have said. Distance covered by the body during last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds means distance in n minus 1th plus distance is n plus 1th. And distance in n minus 1th and distance in nth. This total distance is given as 40 meters. This is how we are using fourth equation. Without fourth equation also we can do. I will tell you when to apply without fourth equation. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So distance covered by the body during last 2 seconds. If I say last second is the nth second, then last 2 seconds will become, one will be nth and one will be before it. That is n minus 1. Now both you can calculate because you know fourth equation of motion. N minus 1th you can write u plus a by 2. A is our g plus g because body is going down. U plus a by 2 into 2n. Now n in place of n you will put n minus 1. Minus 1. No problem. This is the distance during second last and this is the distance during last. Plus nth you can write u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. This will be equal to 40. Now from here you can do little simplification. This will become g by 2 both places appearing, so you can take g by 2 common. Better to take common. G by 2 we can take common. Here it will become 2n minus 2 minus 1. So 2n minus 3. 2n minus 2 minus 1, so 2n minus 3 plus here it will be 2n minus 1. This total will be equal to 40. Now g by 2 means 5. This 5 and 40 also you can cancel. Here it will come 8. That means from here we can do 2n 4n minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 will be equal to 8. That means from here 4n will be equal to 4 will go here, it will be 12. So n will be equal to 3. That means last second is our third second. Last second is the third second and this is our second last, that is second. So that means total time of journey for which ball is falling, sir, is 3 seconds. If the ball is falling for 3 seconds, what is the height of the tower? Half g into 3 square. That will give you 45 meters. Is it okay, bhai? We can use Galileo's ratio, but it will not always work. That's why method should be more important. We can use for smaller values, we can use, no problem. Yeah. First 5, then 15, then 25. 15 plus 25 will give us 40. Means those two last 2 seconds are third and second. So we can use Galileo's ratio, no problem. Yeah. But it will be, if question will be little slightly tricky, then it will not work. No problem. Yeah. Is it okay, bhai? We can use Galileo's ratio, no problem. Perfectly, we will get answer. Is it okay? And hello, is it okay? Acha, how to solve without fourth equation? How to solve without fourth equation? Can I solve this question without fourth equation? Can I solve this question without using fourth equation? थोड़ा ध्यान दे, थोड़ा ध्यान. Be careful, be careful, be careful. थोड़ा ध्यान दो. I'm just targeting some questions which are asked in JEE Mains. Yeah. Sometimes थोड़ा ध्यान दो भाई. Be focused what I'm trying to tell. Okay, I said last second, last second. As if someone said, if the ball covers a distance of 10 meter during last 0.1 second. During last 0.1 second. Can you use fourth equation of motion now? This is okay, sir. We understood. Last second, last second, we can find. But if they mention one time duration which is less than 1 second, or if they say if the ball covers a distance of 20 meter during last 1.5 second, can you apply this equation? Can you apply during last 1.5 second? Can you apply this? These equations will not work because they work for particular seconds. 1.5 second is not any particular second. Then how to do? So that is a master method which work everywhere. I'm going to talk about these are the plain methods which we can use in this type of situation. But if someone says a ball is dropped and it is found to cover a distance of 20 meter during last 2.5 seconds, can you apply this equation? No. Then how to? एक बार देख लो. Easy only. No problem. Yeah. Anyone can give me idea? Anyone can give me idea? Anyone can give me idea? Then also we can do. But calculation will become slightly lengthy. तो एक बार देख ले भाई, एक बार देख ले how we do. एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. Okay. For this type of situation, no problem, no need to use anything else. You can apply Galileo's ratio also. You can do like this using fourth equation. But whenever question comes when time is fractional, these methods will not work. Then you can also solve. For example, they will say, एक बार देख लो भाई, एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. I will use this question to explain the method. Then I will give you next question. So I will simply say what I will say. So let's assume height of the tower. Method समझो भाई. Without using fourth equation, how to get, and this method will work for every situation. This method will work for fractional, this type of situation. Everywhere you can apply this method. एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. So what I will do, I will say, okay sir, you want me to calculate height of the tower now. I will simply say, let's assume height of the tower h and total time of flight for the ball to be t. Let's assume height of the tower to be h and total time of flight to be t. Then I can write h. That means I can write h. From here I can write h. Sir, h will come. Total height of the tower will come, sir. H will come half gt square. No problem. थोड़ा ध्यान दो. H will come half gt square. No problem here. Now they are saying when the ball is dropped, it is found to cover a distance of 40 meter during last 2 seconds. That means how much height it has fallen here? H minus 40. And how much is the time for this? T minus 2 seconds. Hello bhai. Very good. We can find like that. That is what I am trying to explain. No problem. Yeah. So I will simply say, so total height I can write half gt square. Now you are saying time, yeah, you are saying ball travel a distance of 40 meter during last 2 seconds, means this is 40 meter, this time is 2 seconds. So how much height it has fallen before this 2 seconds? H minus 40. And what is the time for this? T minus 2. So again I can relate them. Again I can relate them with the help of free fall. I will say H minus 40 will be equal to half G into T minus 2 whole square. Now these two equations are there. From here you can dump the value of H, or you can simply subtract them. If you simply subtract them, subtract these two equations. If you subtract them, of course, here calculation will become little lengthy. That's why I first told you that method. Yeah. Simply you can put the value of H here, or you can simply subtract also. Your calculation, your way. I will simply subtract. If I subtract, minus, this minus will become plus, this will be minus, this H will get cancelled. So left side you will get 40. 40 will be equal to, again you can take half G common. Half G common. And here you will get T square minus T minus 2 whole square. Now from here you can solve, you will get G by 2. G by 2 means this will give you 5. Now this 5 and 40 cancel, this will give you 8. So 8 will be equal to, now you have to break this, T square minus, this you have to break in the form of A minus B whole square. That is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Hello. So little calculation will come. Yeah. Okay. So A square plus B is, yeah, we are breaking this. A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So 2A. A is T, B is 2. So it will come minus 40. Now from here it will come, 8 will be coming as this T square will get cancelled. This minus will make this plus. So this will become 4T minus 4. Same thing you got there. So 4T will be equal to 12. So T will be coming as 3 seconds, which you got directly from there. Once you got T, dump the value of T here, you'll get your height 45 meter. Is it okay, bhai? Is it okay? Which method was better? And first method or second method? Jaldi bolo, I don't have time. जल्दी से बता दो. But first method will not always work. Always remember, method better is which will be used always. अरे भाई, you assume one situation, you are going to become doctor. If by mistake scientists discovered one drug, one medicine which will work for all disease, then do you require doctor? Do you require doctor? Do you require doctor? By chance, scientists discover one medicine which treats every disease. Then do we require doctor? And all problems will be solved. Actually, doctors solve the problem. All problems will be solved. Hello, bhai. Just like AI. AI nowadays is doing everything. So this method is lengthy. This method is lengthy, but master method. It will always work. 1.5 second, 2.5 second, 3.5 second. So you cannot ignore it. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to? This method is easy, giving answer fast. I understood, fast, easy, but this will not always work. Good method means it should always work. कुछ भी हो, आंख बंद करके apply करो, answer आए. That is the method. Just like one medicine which will always work. We cannot discover it. Yeah. Okay. But we can discover a method which will always work in this type of situation. So, okay, keep this method in your mind. Keep this method in your mind. I will give you one question. चलो एक question बना लो. चलो एक JEE Mains का question बना लो. अब कौन सा method use करते हो मैं देखता हूँ. You're right. You're right. Now all these methods, but this will work. This will give you answer. You can write the question. You can write the question. Come on, त्वरगा समय हम ले दो. You write. When a ball is dropped from a tower. When a ball is dropped from a tower. When a ball is dropped from a tower, When a ball is dropped from a tower, it is found to cross. When a ball is dropped from a tower, it is found to cross a window. J means question I am giving. When a ball is dropped from a tower, it is found to cross a window of length. It is found to cross a window of length 5 meter in 0.2 second. When a ball is dropped from a tower, it is found to cross a window of length 5 meter in a time of 0.1 second. Find the height of the tower above the window. Find the height of the tower above the window. Now full knowledge will be used. Find the height of the tower above the window. तो डायग्राम भी बनाओ भाई. क्वेश्चन इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. नेवर सॉल्व कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चन विदाउट डायग्राम. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टावर अबव द विंडो. We can take up to window time t. Combining window total time will become t plus 0.1. Now apply any method. Galileo's ratio you can apply. You are saying that Galileo's ratio I can use, sir. Fourth equation use करके देखो. Nothing will come. But this method will give you answer. Meghna is saying some answer. Okay, I also don't know Meghna. I just like this question came. I just gave random value. But Vishnu is also saying same answer, means answer is correct. Maybe. Okay, Vishnu, very good. Seems to be okay. Pranita is also saying बहुत बढ़िया. That means answer is correct. Vishnu Vardhan बहुत बढ़िया. Vishali is also saying same answer, means seems to be okay. And that is the understanding you have to develop. Because nowadays seeing the paper, understanding become more important. Apart from formula we have to remember, but we have to understand the situation also. Yeah. So understanding became important. Vishnu has given 4 times, 5 times answer. I seen your answer, Vishnu, no problem. Yeah. तो एक बार देख ले, चल एक बार देख ले, no problem, no formula will work, your understanding will work. So question seems to be complicated, so first we'll draw one diagram. This is what is given in the question. Yeah, a ball dropped is found to cross a window of length. This distance is given 5 meter. This distance is given 5 meter, and for this time is given. How much time it is taking to cross this 5 meter? 0.1 second. No problem. Yeah. And they are asking me this height. Find the height of this building. So we can calculate. I will simply say, so let's assume, एक बार देख लो भाई, एक बार देख लो. I will simply say, so let's assume time taken to fall this height to be t. Then time taken to fall this height combining window will be t plus 0.1. You can do reverse also. Total time you can find t, and then you can do for this t minus 0.1. So it depends what you are assuming. Why I assume this t? Because this t will come directly h will come. So you can assume, sir, let's assume from here to here time t. Then for combining window, time is t plus 0.1. Now that means that I can write h. Means height of the building which they are asking me, height of the tower above the window. This height I can write, sir. Because for this height I have assumed time t. So h will be half g into t square. Then combining window, total time will become t plus 0.1. So height will become, total height will become h plus 5. That will be equal to, sir, h plus 5, that will be equal to half g t plus 0.1 whole. You can do reverse also. You can assume total time t, then this time will become t minus 0.1. Anyway you can do, no problem. Yeah, whatever way you have done, that's correct, no problem. Yeah, I have assumed this time t, so this time will become t. This is what I was saying. Understanding is important, your logic is important. So that logic you have to develop, that understanding you have to develop. Yeah. So this time I have assumed t. So this time will become t plus 0.1, sir. Now we have got the two equation. Now we can simply subtract them. Anyway, you can put h value also. You can subtract also. Whatever I want, I can do. No problem. I'll put the h value just now subtracted. So this time I'll put the value of h. So half g t square plus 5 will be equal to half g t plus 0.1 whole square. Now from here we can send this side because we have to find t. So t must be on one side. So 5 will be equal to. When you send this side, half g will be common and you get t plus 0.1 whole square minus t square. Now from here we can get half g means 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 5. So this 5 cancels, we'll get 1 will be equal to. It's not very tough. Now you can use a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square is 0.1 square. That is 0.01. A square plus b square plus 2ab. That means it will come 2 into t into 0.1. That is 0.2t minus t square. Now from here, t square will get cancelled and you will start getting something. You can send this side or you can ignore also now. This is very small in compare of 1. Actually, we should not ignore, but okay, 0.99 will come. So from here we will get, or we can ignore also this. So 1 will be equal to 0.2t. I am ignoring this. Because it will give you 0.099. 0.99. So same value will come. Is time will come from here. That you can divide 1 by means 10 by 2. So time of flight will come 5 meter. Means this time taken was your 5 second. This time was your 5 second. So if this is 5 second, height of the building you already calculated. If you put it here, half g into 5 square. Means it will give you 120, slightly less than, because this time will not come exactly 5. It will come slightly less than 5. So slightly less than 125. Slightly less than, how people got 28.8? It will come slightly less because time will come slightly less than 4. Slightly less than 5. So height will be slightly less than 125. Or approximately we can say 125. Hello, how people got 28.8 भाई? कैसे ले आए 28.8? जल्दी से बता दो भाई. मैं तो सरप्राइज हो गया. How so many people have done mistake, same mistake? Okay. You can do, other ways are also there. This is not only way, but this is good way which will work everywhere. Everyone understood? Hello. Everyone got idea how to apply, how to use your brain, how to use equation of motion in this type of free fall situation? And no problem. Yeah, and don't do mistake. Just understand. And nowadays understanding question is very important. Yeah. Understanding question is very important. Understand, follow your way. You can assume total time t, then you can take this time as t minus 0. So whatever way. But you have to understand 28.122.8 will come exactly, no problem. Yes. I'm giving you time of 1 second. Check karo, I will move further. One more situation we will discuss here, then we'll move further. Yeah, slightly less than 125 will come. एक बार देख लो, then we will move further. ठीक है, enemy world, she has calculated 122.5. Now she is not leaving it. ठीक है ना? एक बार देख लो. If everything is okay, you can say done sir. Then one last type of model we will discuss very fast. Old model nowadays they are not asking, but previously asked. So in JEE Mains also I am seeing some paper they are asking. So that's why we'll discuss that model, then we'll move further. Everything okay? Done sir, done sir, done sir. No problem, no problem, no problem. Now one specific type of model we will talk. Most of you have done this type of model. You can write tap problem, tap problem, tap problem, tap problem, tap problem. So what will happen in tap problem? What will happen in tap problem? Any idea how to solve question based on tap problem? One tap will be there. From tap, leakage of water will happen, sir. Water drops will keep on falling, sir. So what we used to solve the questions of tap problem? A faulty tap will be there, leakage will be there, just like in your washroom you have water will be falling continuously from air, water drops will be in free fall condition. So how we solve questions of tap problem? With the help of Galileo's ratio. This is also one of the application of Galileo's ratio. We solve tap problem. Other ways are also there to solve, but other ways will become very lengthy. Like this which we have done, we can do like that also, but those methods will become very lengthy. That's why here we follow Galileo's ratio. So in bracket you can write Galileo's ratio. So method will be Galileo's ratio. Method will be Galileo's ratio. With the help of Galileo's ratio, we solve any question related with tap problem. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And I will give you one question because directly I cannot explain because Galileo's ratio I have already told. Galileo's ratio 1:3:5 means 1 will be x, 3x, 5x, 7x, 9x like that. So I have already explained Galileo's ratio. But how to use Galileo's ratio, that I will tell with the help of question. So you can try one question. I feel some of you will be able to get also. You can write. Because concept formula already told. How to apply, I can only tell with the help of one numerical. So you can write one question. You write from a faulty tap, located at a height of, located at height of 27 centimeter from ground, from a faulty tap located at a height of 27 centimeter from ground, water drops are leaking out. In regular time interval. You already know for Galileo's ratio, time interval must be successive and fixed. So that's why regular time interval mentioned. Yeah. From a faulty tap located at a height of 27 centimeter from ground, water drops are leaking out in regular interval. It is found that when first drop is about to strike ground, means first drop has fallen to the ground, it is about to fall on the ground. It is found that when first drop is about to strike ground, Fourth drop, it is found that when first drop is just about to strike ground, fourth drop is just about to fall. Means first drop is on the ground and now fourth drop is in the tap which is about to fall. It is found that when first drop is about to strike the ground, fourth drop is just about to fall. Find the location of, find the height of second and third drop from the ground. Sometimes they ask from tap also, sometimes they ask from ground also. So find the height of second and third drop from the ground. From the ground. I'm waiting for answer. First drop on the ground, fourth drop in the tap, means we got 3 interval. Nine centimeter from ground. Enemy world is saying correct. From the ground, 15 and 24 will come. Correct. Enemy world correct. You are perfect in tap problem. So not do mistake in tap problem whenever it will come in any exam. By your solution I understood. By speed I understood. Navya has also got correct answer. Pranita has also got correct answer. Very good. Tanuj Kumar also very good. Meghna also very good. Those who have done this type of model previously, they will be able to get. Those who have not done, they will not be able to get. Yeah. Vishnu has also got correct answer. So second drop height from the ground will come 15 meter and third drop height from the ground will come 24, not meter, given in centimeter, so it will come in centimeter. If they give in meter, it will come in meter, no problem. So एक बार देख ले भाई, एक बार देख ले, no problem. Those who know how to solve, those who don't know how to solve, for everyone I will explain. तो एक बार देख लो, yeah. Maybe by explanation your calculation will become fast also. By explanation your calculation will become fast also. तो एक बार देख लो, no problem, yeah. So whenever question comes from tap problem, always prefer to draw one diagram. Diagram will always give you clarity. Sir, one tap is there, and what you are saying? थोड़ा ध्यान दे भाई. Height of the tap given, be focused. Those who are not getting answer, थोड़ा focus करो. Those who got answer, you should be also focused. Maybe your calculation will become fast after this explanation. People do orally. I did orally. I did not remember this question. But when question I given orally, I did and I got the answer. So that clarity is required. So एक बार देख लो, no problem. Yeah. So first one tap is given. Height of the tap given, sir, 27 centimeter. Very simple. Sir, first drop is on ground. Second drop will be above the first drop. Third drop will be above the second drop. And fourth drop is in the tap. This is the meaning of question. Water drops are falling. When first drop reaches the ground, fourth drop is just about to fall. Now if you check, you got interval of time, fixed consecutive interval of time. This is one interval, this is one interval, this is one interval. And you know how to write the distance traveled in consecutive interval of time. This will be x, this will be 3x, and this will be your 5x. Hello. Fixed consecutive interval happened
Third drop got only one interval to fall. That's why it fall only x. Second drop got two interval to fall. X, 3x, 1:3. First drop got three interval. This. Now once you, so this is the first step. Draw the diagram, mark the drops. First drop here, second drop above it, third drop above it, fourth drop is in the tap. Then write the interval x, 3x, 5x. Once you write this, you realize the total I got x plus 3x plus 5x. That is total I can find, sir. What is this total distance, sir? What is this total distance, sir? What is this total distance? I got it, sir. That is x plus 3x plus 5x. And this total distance is given how much? 27. That means 9x will be equal to 27. Means x will be coming as 3 cm. Once you got this 3 centimeter, what is the height of second drop from the ground? You already written 5x. So 5 into 3. It will become 15 cm. No need to subtract also directly. What is the height of third drop from the ground? This is for second drop, sir. What is the height of third drop from the ground? This is the height, sir. And what is this distance? 5x and 3x. So total will be 5x plus 3x. That is 8x. X value 3. That will come 24 cm. If they ask you from the tap for second drop, x plus 3x, 4x, x value 3. So 4 into 3, 12. For third drop, x, so x value 3. Hello. Did you understood? एक बार बोल दो भाई, did you understand? It's a very simple question. But you have to draw diagram. एक बार diagram बनाओ, clarity आ जाएगा. Galileo's ratio दिखने लगेगा. Fixed consecutive interval of time. Of course, interval, yeah. Okay, हाँ. So fixed consecutive interval of time, you know the ratio. From there, find the x. Once you find the x, you will already have height from ground also. You have height from tap also. Just put the value of x, you'll get it. और question बना दो फटाफट. We will back up from this part. We'll move further. एक question बना दो फटाफट चलो. Right. And question will write in short. You write. You can write. You can write. Height of the tap is found to be. Height of the tap is found to be 32 centimeter. We cannot give 32 meter, otherwise tap will be at very high. Who will observe high? That's why I'm giving in centimeter. Height of the tap is found to be 32 centimeter. And when first drop reaches ground, just reaches ground, fifth drop is about to fall. Find location of, you have to tell location from ground. Find location of second, third and fourth drop from ground. Find the location of second, third and fourth drop from ground. So first step, we'll draw the diagram. Diagram will give clarity about, sir, Galileo's ratio. First drop ground lo undi. Fifth drop tap lo undi. So above first drop we will have second drop, sir. Above second drop we will have third drop oral. Above third drop we will have, sir, fourth drop. That means now we are getting Galileo's ratio x, 3x, 5x, and this will become 7x. So total will become, sir, बहुत बढ़िया. And anyone has given answer. Total will become x plus 3x plus 5x plus 7x. That will become, sir, 16x. 16x will be equal to height of the tap 32. So x will come, sir, 2 centimeter. Once you got the answer. Second drop, 7 into 2, 40. Third drop, 7 plus 5, 12x. So 12 into 2, 24. Fourth drop, 7 plus 5 plus 3, 15x. So 15 into 2. It's much fast you have to solve. Done. I'm giving you time of 1 second. You can check all this situation. We are going to move further. एक और part start करने वाले हैं भाई. One more part of mug we will do. We have completed all possible numericals from here. But understanding is important. एक बार देख लो सारे questions. Everyone has got. बहुत बढ़िया. If they ask from tap, then we will calculate from top. If they ask you from ground, then we'll calculate from ground. एक बार देख लो सारे क्वेश्चंस, देन विल मूव फर्दर, आगे बढ़ेंगे. हाँ, फ्रॉम टैप आल्सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट नेगना. बहुत बढ़िया. 2, 8 and 18. Yeah. If everything is okay, you can say done, sir. We'll start with one more part. Now you can write case 3. Third case of mung we are going to talk. Case 3. You can write case 3. Case 3. Case 3. And you can write about case 3. First case was vertically upward projection from ground. Second case was dropping of the ball from height. That was free fall. Third case we are going to talk. You can write vertically upward projection. Vertically upward projection from a tower. Vertically upward projection from height, you can say. Vertically upward projection from height. Maybe sometimes building they will say, sometimes bridge they will say, sometimes tower they will say. So vertically upward projection from height. Vertically upward projection from height. तो एक बार देखना case 3, and this case 3 is discussed in NCERT also. In NCERT also they have discussed, and they have discussed in detail. Actually this tap problem, all this thing, apart from this, actually in NCERT they have only discussed Galileo's ratio. No question like tap problem, all these things exist. But the thing which we are going to start now, this is question also discussed from here in NCERT. So be careful. Chala important part we are going to talk. Recently 2024 also question came, 2021 also question came. So important part. एक बार ध्यान दो. No problem. Yeah. अच्छा, here we will solve. We can, for solution we can have multiple ways. One way where quadratic equation will come. But I know you are not that much smart to do quadratic. So I will tell you whether where no equation will come directly, you have to keep the result in your mind. You have to understand the result, directly use that result, you will get the answer. So that method I will tell. So एक बार देखो. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this situation we are going to talk vertically upward projection from a height. So let's assume one tower is there, one building is there, one bridge is there, whose height is h. Let's assume one building is there, tower is there, whose height is h. And you have a ball in your hand. Till now you used to drop the ball. For dropping of the ball we studied everything. Now someone came and he said, sir, I have a tower, I am sitting on the top of a bridge of height h, I have a ball in my hand, and I am going to project the ball vertically up with some speed u. Once you project the ball vertically up with speed u, what will happen to the ball? Ball will go and ball will come back on the ground. Don't catch the ball. I have thrown, sir, I will catch. I will jump from the bridge and I will take the catch of ball. No. You let the ball to fall. So if you throw the ball with speed u, ball will go to some height, and from that height ball will reach to the ground. Is it okay, bhai? Now ball will not reach with same speed u, because now it is falling extra height, so its speed will be changed. Is it okay till now? You throw the ball with some speed u, this is what happened. Your ball will go to some maximum height, ball will come. Now throw there. Be careful. No problem. Here they ask three things. 3 questions are asked, and all 3 questions you can solve just by putting your brain. No equation, nothing required. Directly you can get the answer, but you have to put your brain. First question they will ask you, what is the maximum height attained by the ball? They will ask you, this is our H max. They will ask you, find the maximum height which ball will attain. You can find very easily because you already know ball is at height H. Ball is already at height H. And whenever you project any ball with speed U vertically up, it will go further height. How much? U square by 2G. That means maximum height attained by the ball will become. Ball was already at height H. From height H, you have thrown ball up with speed U. So it will go further up. You have already studied vertically upward projection from ground. Only difference now we are not projecting from ground. We are projecting from height. So from here, extra height U square by 2G. Already height H. That is maximum height attained by the ball will become H plus U square by 2G. H is the height of building, tower or bridge. Is it okay by? Many people know, they have written also. So H max will become H already undi sir. Extra U square by 2G. So muttam height from ground will become H plus U square by 2G. Is it okay by? Is it okay? H is the height of tower or bridge or building from where you are throwing the ball up. अरे जल्दी से बोल दो. So this is the first question which they will ask you, find H max, which we can get very easily. Okay sir, H already there, we already did some question in the last class. Extra it will go U square by 2G. So muttam height H max will become H plus U square by 2G. Now throw the okay, no problem. Yeah. Second thing they will ask you, थोड़ा ध्यान देना भाई, this is the main part. If you directly blindly remember the formula in the exam, you get self confused. इसलिए समझना. Second question they will ask you, find the time of flight. Time of flight means in how much time ball will return to the ground. They will ask you, find the time of flight. They will ask you, find the time of flight means how much time ball will take to come back. Not in your hand. Time to reach to the ground. You can find this time very easily. You'll simply say, थोड़ा ध्यान देना भाई, थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Someone came and said, sir, I want to calculate total time. I can calculate. I will simply say, sir, if you check the motion of the ball is divided into two parts. First ball is going up, then ball. That means total time of flight we can write time of ascent plus time of descent. Achha, can I say here ascent and descent will have same time? Can I say here ascent and descent will have same time? And time total. This is how we calculate total time. Time of ascent plus time. But we cannot say time of ascent and descent will be same. Because ascent is only chinna. Descent is pedda. Both will not have same time. For same horizontal level we get same time for ascent and descent. But now ascent and descent. So that's why we have written separately. Time of ascent plus time of descent. Ascent to you already know na. Ascent means time from here to maximum height. This time you already know. U by G. And time of descent. Time of descent. What is your descent actually? Your descent is actually free fall. Hello. Your descent is nothing. From the top, ball is falling freely. And for free fall, you already know time of flight. Under root of 2h. But h is not height of free fall is not happening from tower. Free fall is happening from h max. So under root of 2, h max by g. Hello. Are you getting idea by? Some people are already writing answer. Yeah. Are you getting idea? Now third question they will ask you, what is the final velocity when ball reaches ground? Final velocity also you can find on reaching ground because ball is doing free fall. And if ball will reach ground in descent, so in descent is a free fall. Free fall from where? H max sir. So in free fall we already know under root of 2gh. But h is not height of tower. From h max we have to take free fall. Hello. Is it okay bhai? This is not any formula to remember. Method yaad rakhoge, otherwise you'll get confused. This will avoid any equation. You don't require quadratic equation now. Otherwise, other methods will give you quadratic equation. You'll get confused in the exam. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. We'll do some questions. एक बार देख लो. सिंपल, दिमाग में रखो, दिमाग. सर, you are throwing the ball from the top of the tower. Now we already know if you throw the ball up with speed u, it will go further height u square by 2g, already at height h, so mottam height will become h plus that extra u square by 2g, that is h max. Sir, someone asked me time of flight. Time of flight means ascent and descent. Ascent and descent are not equal, sir. Why not equal? Because ascent is only this much, descent is this much, sir. Then how to find time? Time of ascent plus time of descent. Time of ascent, you already know how much time ball takes from here point of projection to the maximum height, u by g. And descent is what, sir? Free fall. Free fall we already know under root of 2h by g. But h is not from, free fall is not happening from tower. Free fall is happening from h max. So under root of 2h max by g. Final velocity on reaching ground. Free fall from h max under root of 2g h max. Hello, hello, hello. Is it okay? Is it okay? Jaldi se bol do. Then we can practice some questions. No problem. So you can write one question. Chalo. Okay. You can write one question. Chalo. Ha. You can write. You write. A man standing on a tower of height 40 meter. A man standing on a tower of height 40 meter. NCRT question I am giving you. A man standing on a tower of height 40 meter projects a ball vertically upward. A man standing on a tower of height 40 meter projects a ball vertically upward with a speed of 10 meter per second. A man standing on a tower of height 40 meter projects a ball vertically upward with a speed of 10 meter per second. Find, with a speed of 10 meter per second, find h max, is maximum height attained by the ball. Second, time of flight of the ball. Third, final velocity when ball will reach ground. And always draw diagram, because right now topic is going, so you'll remember these values also. But when question will come in the NEET, so that's why for clarity always draw the diagram. My suggestion. Sir, one tower is there, height of the tower 40 meter, one ball is projected vertically upward with a speed of 10 meter per second. Who is saying h max will come 6 meter? H max will come 45 meter, yeah. Sheikh Aisha correct. Akshaya correct. Aishwarya correct. Praneet correct. Tanuj Kumar correct. जल्दी टाइम भी बताओ भाई, फटाफट तीनों बता दो. मेघना correct. Pranita, all three answers given. कुछ नहीं है भाई. Even that formula not required. Sir, I can find this extra height. U square by 2g. No formula required. Sir, total height you want now. So this height I already know. U square by 2g. So u square, u is 10. So 10 square by 2g. That will give us, sir, 5. So already 45 more. So maximum height will become, sir, 45. Sir, time of flight you want? 30 minutes. Yeah. Time of flight you want? I know, sir, time of ascent. Now you can check. I am not using any formula. Time of ascent plus time of descent. Time of ascent I already know, sir. U by g. U is 10. G 10. Plus under root of, then it will fall freely from maximum height. So under root of 2h max. What is the maximum height, sir? 40 was there. 5 more, 45 by g. You can check. I am not using any formula. I am just using my understanding. And this is the way to do. This will give us, sir, 4 seconds. Final velocity you want, sir. From maximum height, it is doing free fall. So under root of 2g h max. That was 45. That's a 30 meter per second. You said, yeah. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Is it okay, bhai? Easy now. If I make one quadratic equation, you will start feeling difficult. That's why without quadratic equation we can always do. Hello, hello, hello. एक और question फटाफट बनाओ भाई. Last question. This is NCRT question. Now I'll give you one question like PYQ. Not same data, but I will give you just like that. You write. A man standing A man standing on the top of a bridge. A man standing on the top of a bridge over a river. A man standing on the top of a bridge over a river tosses a coin. Tosses a coin vertically upward. Of course, tossing you cannot do down. Tosses means, of course, up. Yeah. Tosses a coin vertically upward with a speed of 20 meter per second. A man standing on the top of a bridge over a river tosses a coin vertically upward with a speed of 20 meter per second and finds that coin strikes water after and finds that coin strikes water after 6 seconds. Coin strikes water after 6 seconds. Find the height of the bridge. Find the height of the bridge. Find the height of the bridge. Very good. Enemy world has done very fast. बहुत बढ़िया enemy. Find the height of the bridge. जल्दी से कर लो. So time of flight given, you can write u by g plus under root of 2 h max by g. H max will come 80, but they are not asking h max. They are asking you height of the tower, height of the bridge, height of the building, h. You don't have to find h max. It's a common mistake. Student calculate h max and they directly say that is present in first option. They tick it. No, they are not asking you h max. I think everyone will get. Yeah. Time of flight we already know, sir, in this situation. U by g plus under root of 2h max by g. Now we'll put the value time 6 second. U 20 by 10 plus under root of 2h max by g. G value is 10, sir. Now from here h max will come, if you solve, h max will come 80. But this is not your answer. This is the maximum height attended. You need to find height of the tower. So that's why you already know height of tower means h. H max you already know, h plus u square by 2g. This is the value they are asking. This will be equal to 80. That means h plus u square by 2g you can find. That will give you 20 square by 20. That will give you 20. That will be equal to 80. So height of the bridge will come 60 meter. Is it okay भाई? 100 meter कैसे आ गया भाई? चिंतला. Everyone is getting 60 meter. So this is how we have to frame our brain and we have to use all these situations. So this is how we have talked about. We have done this situation. Some more questions we will do in our next class. For today we will end here only. Anything else? Apart from studies, apart from this class, anything else? Graphs we'll do in the next class. Anything else you want to tell? Any other doubt? Yeah, no doubt. Only one thing. Next year, if you want to go to medical college, it will be created. Same syllabus going on means anytime you can come to the campus, no problem. Yeah. Enemy world is asking how many students got selection from online, so that she will stay online. If more people got selection through online, I will say, no, don't depend on others. Don't depend on trend. Trend can change every time. People think, sir, last year how many people got selection from online? How many people got from offline? Accordingly, I will add no. This is just trends. Trends can change any time. So think about yourself. What is good for you? Can you stay at home and study best? Then fine. No problem. Then if you feel in home some distractions are there, something is happening, then you can come to the campus. So it's totally your choice. At home also if you study, then also you can get selection. In campus also you'll get selection only when you study. So study is very important. अच्छे से पढ़ाई करोगे then only you get selection anywhere, whether you are doing online offline, मर गए जिंदा हो कुछ भी हो, selection तभी होगा जब hard work करोगे. We don't have exact idea because many students in between come online offline read it, so exactly I don't have idea. But some people have messaged online students who has got good marks, more than 600 around. Yeah. So exact idea we don't have right now. Later on we can get the idea. Don't get idea of all this thing. Focus on your work. Focus on your work. Yeah. Soon we will end the class on YouTube. We'll have on app. In app it will be more personal. I will know everyone's name. I can scold. I can do whatever. So soon it will be shifted to the app. टाटा बाय बाय, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो. नेक्स्ट ईयर एवरीवन हैज टू बिकम डॉक्टर. ऑल द बेस्ट. Everything can wait for coming 2-3 years, but you cannot wait for becoming doctor. This is the last time you are doing your hard work. Complete it. उसको करो. Last time अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो और डॉक्टर बनो. That's it. So work hard. That's also fine away, no problem. Wherever you are comfortable, you can do. But you have to study everywhere. Come on. Bye, bye, bye.